Hey guys, what's up? It's me, OlgaKay, and we are playing Modern Warfare. And last time I failed so bad, so right now I'm gonna try it again and see if I can do any better. Yeah, bitch! I think I am doing better. Let's see. Reload. Let's go. Okay, people freaking shooting me non-stop. Boom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How did he fly over there? That was cool. 12 o'clock. Squad down. Jump, jump. How do I know if they're shooting me? I could never tell. Oh shit. Fell into the wall. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, well, you guys fight up there. I'll sit down here, hang out. Okay. I have to go save my... Whoa. Hurt. Bitch. Okay, I'm dead. Boom. Just like that. Bitch, right in your face. Boom. Dead. Let's go. "12 o'clock high, booyah!" Reload. Got him. Got him, Surge. Did we get him? Is he getting up? What's going on? Oh shit, shit, shit. Hide, hide, hide. Dead. Whoa, look at your moosh mommy. She's kicking ass. Ooh, shit. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Reload, reload. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, shit, don't kill me, motherfucker. I did it, I did it. Turn around, turn around. Where? Sandman. Okay, what does that mean? Oh, that's our people. I'm sorry. Come back, come back, come back. Come back, dude. I'm sorry. Get in. Oops. Grinch. Sorry, dudes. Still getting used to shit. Okay, I'm here. S Vostoka. From the west. No, east. That's what they said in Russian. Reload. Oh, where are you going, dude? Why are you going up there? Where am I going? Am I following you? What's up, Sandman? Shit. 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 Scared. Wow, I'm so dumb when it comes to this game at the moment. No, I have to go back down there. I think I have to finish the business. Oh shit, shit, shit. Dead, bitch. Okay, cool. Okay. Run. Run, motherfuckers. Truck. Hold on, truck. Shit.
Hold up, quiet.
Quiet.
In the store below. Switch them off.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Cool. Where are you? Where are you, bitches? That's right, Grinch. You throw grenades down there. Bitch, die. Hey guys, what's up? Пересекает поле, where? Wow, they all speak Russian, that's so cool. Oh shit, 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 grenade, where? Okay, I think I saved myself. Where are you guys? Who are we fighting? So confused. Am I supposed to go down and follow everybody? Okay. I'm with you guys. Let's go. I'm a recruit. Oh shit, shit, shit. Sit. Oh yeah, there you are. Boom. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Fuck. I'm scared. Who's shooting me? Oh, grenade. Get a cover. Oh, grenade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get cover. Cover. I'm hurt. Don't shoot me. I'm hurt. Already. I'm hurt. Who's this dude? Truck. Oh shit. Boom. Did you see that? Come on. Boom. Dead. Shit, I'm good sometimes. Dead. Hide, 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 hide. Oh, there's somebody there. Bitches. Did I kill him? Tell me I killed him. Bitches! Dun 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 dun. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, stop doing that. Hurry up. Take cover. Where are they? Look up. Up, down. There's a bunch of them shooting up there. Get up. There's a bunch of dead bodies, oh my god.
Anybody hit? We're good. What's the sit rep on Midtown? The
Oh shit.
Russians have it locked down. They're kicking our ass. We can't get through. Any word on air support?
Oh, we can get
Still
through,
nothing.
come on.
Guidance systems are scrambled.
Cringe.
We need to get that jammer down. Then let's move.
Let's run, 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 run.
Frost, get on the XM-25 and flush them out. Tango taking cover by that ladder.
Oh, there you go. Boom. Come on, guys. Freaking fight like there's no tomorrow. Bitches faces. Everybody chillax. Come on, guys. Did you see what I did? Did you see what I did there? It's my people. Take cover, bitches. Dead. Yeah, die, bitchy fucker. Bitchy fucker? What is that? What is that name? Oh, shit. We have to go up. We have to go up. Let's go up. Dead. Dead. Did I kill him? Oh, God. Dead. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Dead. Reload. Dude, I'm like badass right now. Oh, shit. Reload. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Squad down, squad down. Low ammo. Run. Hey, guys. Hey, guys, I have no ammo. Let's run, 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 run. Checkpoint. Okay, guys. Wait, contact. I have no ammo. Where do I get ammo? God damn. Oh shit. Keep moving, okay. Ah, shit. Whoa, 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 there's a huge freaking thing just flew in here. Go, go, go.
Keep moving. The jamming system, it's up on the second tier.
Second tier, okay. Hey guys. Oh shit. I'm dead. So this was another round of kind of failure, but I think we're getting better. So I'll come back tomorrow and I'll finish this. Wow, this is taking me forever. I love you. Thanks for watching and moosh bye.